Toyota is once again raising the bar in the off-road world, and this time, it's not through horsepower or new tech, but with a bold splash of color that screams style, individuality, and rugged confidence. Say hello to Wave Maker Blue, an all-new, flamboyant paint option exclusive to a few hand-picked models in Toyota's Elite TRD Pro lineup for 2026. Offered only on the 4Runner, Tacoma, Tundra, and Sequoia TRD Pro models. Wave Maker Blue is a standout shade developed by Toyota's CALTY design studio in Ann Arbor. According to CALTY's general manager, Benjamin Jimenez, the inspiration for this electrifying blue tone came from unexplored areas of adventure, including extreme territory and even beyond Earth. Whether you're a space dreamer or a trail warrior, this color is bound to make an impression. Toyota's TRD Pro lineup has always been about capability, attitude, and exclusivity. Special colors have long played a role in building that image, with past hits like Voodoo Blue, Inferno, Solar Orange, and Lime Rush. But Wave Maker Blue might be the most daring yet. A vibrant hue designed to turn heads whether you're conquering off-road trails, rolling through urban streets, or just parked at your favorite campsite. Let's look at the lucky models getting this color upgrade for 2026. Tacoma TRD Pro. The midsize off-road icon still feels fresh after its recent redesign. It includes Toyota's isodynamic performance seats with built-in shock absorbers, engineered to reduce head and body movement over rough terrain. Wave Maker Blue just adds the perfect finishing touch to this off-road powerhouse. 4Runner TRD Pro. Sporting a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain that delivers 326 horsepower and 465 lb-ft of torque, the 4Runner TRD Pro is ideal for both rocky trails and long-distance adventures. In Wave Maker Blue, it's not just capable, it's eye-catching. Tundra TRD Pro. Built for serious power and towing, the Tundra features a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 hybrid engine, pushing out 437 horsepower and 583 lb-ft of torque. Add in Fox shocks, skid plates, and now this dazzling blue exterior, and you've got one of the most aggressive-looking full-size trucks on the market. Sequoia TRD Pro. For those who need room for the family and still want off-road muscle, the Sequoia TRD Pro delivers. With the same hybrid V6 setup as the Tundra, it provides strength and space in equal measure, now in a color that's anything but boring. Wave Maker Blue is more than just a marketing gimmick. It's part of Toyota's strategy to keep the TRD Pro lineup feeling fresh and exclusive without changing what already works. While there are no major mechanical upgrades expected for 2026, that's not a bad thing. These trucks are already well equipped with Fox suspension, all-terrain tires, multi-terrain select systems, and locking rear differentials. Dealers across the U.S. are expected to receive 2026 TRD Pro models in the fall of 2025, and you can expect Wave Maker Blue units to fly off lots quickly. Toyota hasn't revealed if this color will be available beyond one model year. So if you're into limited editions and future classics, you might want to act fast. Whether you're navigating desert dunes or cruising downtown, driving a TRD Pro in Wave Maker Blue sends a clear message. You're bold, you're adventurous, and you're driving something truly special.